Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Darlene! More birthdays to come. Stay healthy and God bless. I love you. Bye!
Afternoon, Ate Darlene. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Darlene. Unta. Makakita ka na og afam. God bless, Ate.
Hi, Ate Darlene. So, today is your special day. I wish more birthdays to come in your life. And of course, thank you sa kindness, sa kabaitan mo sa amin, sa mga tulong mo. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Ate Darlene. God bless you.
Hello, Dar. Happy birthday!
Hello, Ate Darlene. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come sa imo, ate. Good health lang for me and enjoy your day, ate.
So, enjoy, Darlene. Happy birthday. Dali day makakita ka sa manamit nga abang.
Ate Darlene, happy birthday. God bless you, ate. More pa nga birthday magabot sa imo.
Hello, Ate Darlene. First of all, I just want to say happy birthday. Wish ko para sa imo is good health and thank you for everything sa pagiging good ate para sa amon. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Darlene. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Darlene. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Ate Dar, keep shining bright and inspiring everyone around you. And cheers to another year of growth and happiness and success, Ate Dar. And again, happy birthday.
A happy birthday, Ate Darlene. Thank you. God bless you.
Birthday, Ate Dar. Wish you abundant happiness and love, and may all your dreams turn into reality. God bless. We love you. Happy birthday.
Ate Dar, I wish you all the happiness, all the success, and hopefully tagpuan mo na si Afam para at least may kasama ka na sa life mo. That's all. Ciao!
Happy birthday, Ate Darlene.
Birthday, Darlene. I hope na sa pag-4th year na to magkuban lang gihapon ta. Kumbaga, dili ba siya ng atong edad nga dili ta muhuman. So, go lang jud ta nga grupo. Maghuman jud ta. Dar, sa ulit, happy birthday and hope I enjoy ka sa imong kaarawan. Happy birthday ulit. I love you.
Hi, Ate Dar. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Darlene. Stay pretty.
Shot ko na.
Basta pa lang kami. Just cool. Happy birthday, Liwat.
Mami Dar, happy birthday. Thank you sa tanan nga huli ko sa amon. God bless sa imo nga pag-eskwela. Kabay nga tanan ta makagraduate. Hindi maging useless ang mga pagtabang mo sa amon. Happy birthday, Mami Dar, and have a good health always.
Happy birthday and more birthdays to come, and hopefully makakita ka lagi sa imo forever. Kag ang mahambak lang sa imo, stay what you are and who you are. Kag di kayo magbangko sa imo batasan. Thank you sa friendship and thank you sa tanan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to the chubbiest and sexiest Ate Darlene. So wish ko lang no, sana maging mas matatag ka palalo at matupad yung mga pangarap mo. And syempre, makapili ka na ng afam mo. And more blessing and God bless.
Hi, Ate Darlene. Cheers to another year. Happy birthday. Best wishes for your birthday, ate. And enjoy your day.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Hap Darlene. God bless. More birthday to come. Good health. Kag enjoy your day. Kaupod ang iyong mga bata. Love you.
I want to greet Ate Darlene Bilafanye. Yes. Happy birthday. Hindi na ako mamangkon kung pila na ang edad mo. Basta thankful kami kasi naglasmita na ita. Thank you. MBTC.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Dar.
Happy birthday, Ate Dar. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to